Hey guys, it is Summer, back with another video. As you can see, today I'm going to do updated slime collection. So let's get into the video. Sorry, put my hair in. Yeah, it's a mess. Anyways, here's the first slime I'm going to start with since I was just now playing with it. I'm going with this video fast today because I have to upload a lot of videos. This is the softest slime ever. It's so soft. Like, I don't know if this is actually a butter slime because it's not made with clay or anything. But, like, you know, people say that, like, you know, if you because your slime could be, like, turned into butter slime. Like, turn really soft. Even though you didn't add clay to it, so. And I did not have a name for this one, so yeah. There's science. Yeah, I told you I'm going by fast today. Here is another slime. It is a crunchy slime. And it is yellow clear. It's so pretty. So yeah, I don't have a name for this one actually. This one is like a princess slime. And hey, pink! It is so pretty. It has rainbow stars in it, a couple of them in there. Like, it has a lot of pink glitter and pink and white foam beads, and it smells like coconut lime. Sorry, I was looking like at the lotion because that's the lotion that I put in there. So it smells like coconut lime. Make a swirl real quick. Then we're on to the next slime. Here's that slime. Oh, whoops. Ow. Here is a Christmas slime. I made it with gloss paint. Make a swirl. Well, it's probably going to be a bad swirl like always, but there's that slime. Sorry I'm going way too fast, but this is a Christmas slime. I think I already told you that, whatever. Oh, I already showed you that one. The yellow one with foam beads. Here is the most greatest slime you could ever imagine. Look how clear it is. Ah! And it is a bit sticky, so I'm not going to really review it, but I will try. But yeah. The reason why it's sticky is because I put it in the freaking, I almost said microwave, freezer. And yeah, it froze it. Anyways, here's the next slime. It has a couple of rainbow beads, a lot of glitter in it, as you can see. It is jiggly / glossy. use that slime. I did not have a name for that. I should show you this one. Here is a slime with a lot of glitter. It's so clear. And it has some fruit slices in it. Now you can hear the satisfying noises since the washer is going to be off in a minute and it's going to start beeping. So let her go over there. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know if it'll start beeping, but here's the slime. It's a brownie mix butter slime. It has a few foam beads in it. It is so soft. Yeah. The other slimes I did show you in another video, so if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Oh, guess what? The washer is beeping. And that's what you have to do. So, bye!